Hello viewer. In this video we will discuss sequential or linear search algorithm and run a Python code of the same using PyCharm code editor. If you need help in setting up Python and PyCharm code editor, please find the previous video link in the description. The previous videos are also available in the playlist. Please subscribe to motivate us for more such contents. So let's start. Sequential or linear search algorithm. This algorithm involves searching for an element in a list or array in a sequential manner until the desired element is found. Algorithm steps. Let's go through the detailed steps of a sequential or linear search algorithm and provide a Python code example. Start at the beginning of the list. Compare the target element with each element in the list sequentially. If a match is found, return the index of the matching element. If the end of the list is reached without finding a match, return -1 to indicate that the target element is not in the list. Keep in mind that linear search is a simple but less efficient algorithm for large datasets compared to some other search algorithms, like binary search on a sorted list. In the following code, the linear_search function iterates through the list using a for loop. It compares each element with the target element, target. If a match is found, it returns the index of the matching element. If the entire list is traversed and no match is found, the function returns -1. Let's run the code using PyCharm editor. After running the code, you can see the result in the console that element 6 found at index 7. Let's now discuss about time and space complexity. The time and space complexity of the linear search algorithm are as follows. Time complexity, O(n), linear with the size of the input list. Space complexity, O(1), constant, as the algorithm uses a fixed amount of memory regardless of the input size. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us for more such contents.